At the outset, I submit my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Sri Sri Sivakumara Swamigalu and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamigalu. Respected and distinguished chief guests of today's program, heads of departments, faculty, staff, persons from media, invitees, my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. It's in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. You have decided to join SIT, and 4 years down the lane, you will be rewarded with an awesome career. I wholeheartedly congratulate all of you for choosing SIT for pursuing engineering and wish you all a productive time for next 4 years. We'll begin this function by invoking the blessings of Almighty. I call upon Mr. Vishnu Bharadwaj, 5th semester IEM, to perform the invocation.
Mahaganapatim manasa smarami, Mahaganapatim manasa smarami, Mahaganapatim manasa smarami, Vasishtha Vamadevadi Vandita Mahaganapatim. Mahadevasutam, Mahadevasutam, Guru Guhanutam, Mahadevasutam, Guru Guhanutam, Marakoti Prakasham Shantam, Mahadevasutam, Guru Guhanutam, Marakoti Prakasham Shantam, Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam, Mahakavya Natakadi Priyam, Mushika Vahana Modaka Priyam, Mahaganapatim Manasa Smarami, Vasishtha Vamadevadi Vandita Mahaganapatim. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishnu Bharadwaj, for your reverential invocation. Now I request our beloved principal, Dr. K.P. Shivananda, to welcome the gathering.
A very good morning to all of you, and hearty greetings from SIT, which is ranked among the top 100 engineering institutions in the country, along with IITs and NITs. And NIRF ranking and MHRD Government of India. In 2016, SIT is ranked at 70th position, and in 2017 ranked at 72nd position, 78th position in 2018, and 79th position during 2019. At the outset, I seek the blessings of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Sivakumara Swamigalu, Founder President, Sri Siddhalinga Education Society, and I submit my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, President, SSCS, dignitaries on and off the dais. Hearty congratulations to all the students for having chosen SIT for your engineering and architecture studies. We have assembled here for the inauguration of first year classes for the academic year 2019-20. Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, Reverend President, SSCS, has the onerous responsibility of looking after the 125 educational institutions, and Sri Siddhaganga Gurukula, where 90,000 poor students of all faith and communities are provided free food, shelter, and education. Sri Sri Swamiji is a busy personality. In spite of his busy schedule, Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji has kindly agreed and graced this occasion and bless all of us today. On behalf of all of us, I extend a reverential welcome to His Holiness Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Wipro SIT family proud member Sri P.B. Kotur, Head Global Freshers Engagement Program, Wipro Technologies, Bangalore, used to meet us on earlier occasions. But today he has made it convenient to be with us and to be the chief guest of this inaugural ceremony and deliver inaugural address. Sir, it is a great honor and privilege to have you in our midst, and I extend a very hearty welcome to you, sir. Dear students and parents, you will experience the vibrant address by Sri P.B. Kotur just after a few minutes. Respected Sri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary, Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, has made it convenient to be the chief guest of this function. He is an embodiment of simple living and high thinking. He works very hard but declines to take credits in utmost humility, and he is our unsung leader. Sir, I extend a very cordial welcome to you. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a very hearty welcome to our beloved director, Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, who has agreed to preside over this inaugural function and deliver the presidential address. I welcome you, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our respected Dr. Shivkumaraya, the Chief Executive Officer, to this inaugural function. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to all the first-year students and their respected parents. I extend a very cordial welcome to the members of the Board of Management, invitees, and all my esteemed colleagues. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for welcoming the gathering. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrutyurmo Amrutam Gamaya, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. From ignorance, lead me to truth. From darkness, lead me to light. From death, lead me to immortality. I request His Holiness and all the dignitaries to inaugurate the first-year classes by lighting the lamp. So we have a message from His Holiness, Sri Sri Sivakumara Swamigalu, playing in the background.
Do not steal, do not kill, do not speak a lie, do not be angry with anyone, do not feel disgust for others, do not indulge in self-praise, do not humiliate anyone. This is your inward purity, this is your outward purity. This is the way to win the Lord Kula Sangama. These 7 commandments given by Basavanna are globally applicable to mankind. Today, living amidst strife, corruption, greed, selfishness, materialism, and many other ills which are coming in the way of simple, happy living. It is not the religion that we are supposed to follow, but a way of living that can be practiced to build a harmonious society. As you are all aware, a distinct culture was evolved in the 12th century under the self-leadership of Basavanna. In these days of their work, many social evils, inequality among people, different places, discrimination, etc. Basavanna, a great mystic and social reformer, stood up for the cause of the downtrodden, equality for man and women, and tried to establish a class society. He upheld the cause of dignity of labor by preaching the concepts of kayaka, work is worship, and thus of distribution of excess earnings to the needy.
We are all blessed to be living during this period. I thank His Holiness and all the dignitaries for inaugurating this function by lighting the lamp. Now, impression by SIT students. Firstly, I call upon Suprit, our 7th semester in electronic communication, to share his experiences and impressions about SIT.
Offering my humble pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivkumara Swamigalu and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamigalu. I greet all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, all the 2019 and 20 freshers and their parents. A very good morning. I am Suprit from Electronics and Communication Department. I am studying my 7th semester. And I'm so stoked to be here today to talk about our college, to talk about my college, and in general and in particularly our branch electronics. 3 years back, I was here, probably sitting over there, and I was very proud to be in SIT because SIT is just not a college. it's a blessing from the walking God himself. So I hearty congratulations to all the students to have been joined the SIT and also the parents for their support. Although I got a pretty good rank in CET, I chose SIT. And it's not just because I want to stay in Tumkur at my home. It's because SIT is many a things. So I'd like to brief out some of the things which SIT gave me and fortified my support. First thing which enters your head when you enter SIT is the greenery and the cleanliness. Trust me, that really helps, that really refreshes you every day, every single moment. So that's the best part of SIT. And coming to the academics, which is a major part of the engineering, since SIT is an autonomous college, all the syllabus and the curriculum is set by the institution every year, and it is revised so that the curriculum is updated to the industrial standards, which is really needed for the placements. And secondly, the institution also demands a mandatory industrial training so that every student is exposed to the practical world and not just limited to the theoretical bling. The third thing is it also have provisions for the internships, and we also have UG research in some of the departments so that the student can put in what he has learned into a practical thinking and become what he wanted to be. And the best part about SIT is the academic calendar will be strictly followed. At the start of every year, the institute issues the calendar of events, and it will be strictly followed, be it whether the fest or the result date or the examinations date. So there is no changes, and you can be sure from the beginning that the dates on which your exams or the fest are fixed, and you can plan your work. Apart from the academics, which you all have been waiting for, the college also supports the curricular and extracurricular activities as well. We have this college supports many technical and non-technical groups. We have many technical groups such as the IEEE, which is we can connect to the countries and nations worldwide and share your knowledge. We also have decoders, quests, and also corset, and many more. And we also have many dance team, many drama team, and also bands, so that you can bring out your cultural self and be you than just being an engineer. To be honest, it's just not me. I'm happy to say that my father, my brother, and many of my cousins and relatives have passed out from this institution, and it is a great privilege for me to continue their legacy. So I'm really happy for you guys to have joined SIT and study under this esteemed and blessed divine institution, blessed by the walking God himself. I would like to end my talk with a tip for the freshers. Please participate in all the activities conducted by the college and in the college, and also join the technical and non-technical groups so that you can mold your character and you can build up your technical knowledge, which is really crucial for your placements. And also, the best thing is the college provides the excellent training and training program for all the students irrespective of their branches. So you can be sure that you will always be placed in a company before you walk out of the college. So right now I'm in 7th standard. I haven't finished my first day, and I'm already placed in a well-esteemed multinational company with a good package. So all credits goes to the training and placement department. So if you follow the training and placement departments and the Siddhganga Institute of Technology rules, I can assure you that you can be the best of yourself. I wish you all the best for your career in the following years, and I welcome you all again to Siddhganga Institute of Technology. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Supreet, for sharing your impressions and experiences about SIT. Now I request Mohammad Sadiq, 7th semester Computer Science and Engineering, to share his experiences and impressions about SIT.
A very good morning to everyone present here, and my humble pranams to Swamiji and other dignitaries on the stage. They say you are the sum total of the 5 people you spend your most time with, and to be successful, you need to get those 5 people right. True it is, and I'm no exception to that saying. Whatever I'm today, or whatever academic or professional success we, the students of SIT, have amassed so far has a major bearing to SIT's profound and holistic culture soared very early on in our academic journey. I remember the day profoundly. It was the 1st of August 2016, and I was a fresher like you all, sitting on the other side of the stage, just like you all. To be frank, I was a bit nervous. I was also very happy that I got into a college that I wanted to be in. But trust me, I felt everything that you're feeling right now. But then, the journey from there to here has been a really long one, but it was really amazing. I assure you one more thing, that is, I'm not the same person. I have lived, I have grown, but most importantly, I have learned a lot. And most of my learnings have a lot of dedication and a great support from my college. With this, I would like to start my speech by addressing a nagging question that I have been asked by a lot of parents as well as students, and in general, whenever SIT's name comes up. The question is, why SIT? The answer today that I have is a fivefold discovery that I have made on myself and I have lived through. So the very first thing that comes to your mind when you talk of SIT is the infrastructure. SIT has found a brilliant mix of nature and technology as complementary pillars of this infrastructure. We have beautiful gardens and lush green walkways. We have humongous buildings and beautiful architecture. Also, do you know that we have immersive Wi-Fi facilities across the campus throughout the day? Well, the second thing which really stands out in SIT is its faculty. Trust me when I say this, SIT has best-in-class faculty members who are all very learned men and women. All of my department's faculty members have no less than a decade of experience, and that shows. They're all very accomplished men and women who have a well-built history. Many of them have PhDs and have papers published in their names. Also, they're very enthusiastic and always extend supports to their students. Third, it's the labs and the library. Engineering is a practical course, and labs are our playgrounds. We are very, lab members and lab staff, as well as our instructors, are very supportive in lab, and our library is immensely stacked. You can always go, sit, pick a book, and you can increase your knowledge. Fourth is the classrooms. Classrooms is where we spend most of our time, and you gotta get that right. Our faculties have found a fine balance between blackboard teaching and computer-aided lectures. This keeps us glued to the learning, and we always expect something new every day. Lastly, placements. Trust me when I say that our placement department is highly dedicated to get us placed, and that too in really good companies like Cisco, Nuclei, Redburst, Cell, and so on. Many of us are already placed and have got really good packages of 30 lakhs and so. Such a great start to our careers is a massive boost. Having said that, I would want to end my speech with 5 most precious lessons, advices, or experiences that I have come across, and I hope it adds to your great start in our family. The first thing that I want to talk about is the opportunities. You have plenty of opportunities to grow and learn, if only you ask. SIT has a great history of amazing track record and zealous lecturers, alumni, and seniors who are ever willing to help you, if only you ask. So the advice here is go, talk, and ask for what you need, and you will definitely get it. The second most important thing is to keep your academics and do something extra. So your academics is only half the battle. The other half lies in your ability to do something extra. You're all very young, aspiring engineers, and the key terms defining engineering is to solve, learn, and innovate. And you have a responsibility to do just that. Taking part in multitude of contests, hackathons, and events that are held around the year in the college, as well as we are also supported to go out of the college and participate in other college events. All of that counts as extra. Also, undertaking projects early on in your academic career is a great way to learn while having experience at the same time. Your intrinsic value as an engineer rises only when you do something extra, something beyond the finish line. The third thing that I want to talk about is the amenities. This is specific to the upcoming hostelers, but others are free to follow as well. I assure you, it will be hard to stay away from your families in the start, but the atmosphere around here will make your pain a little less, right? And then also, we have a gym and a gigantic stadium out there. So it is your responsibility to utilize the amenities, meditate, and exercise, and keep yourself healthy. The fourth one, and very important one, is joining the student groups. Having been a core member of a very successful group called Cosmos of CSE department and having a direct or indirect part in numerous other groups such as Decoders, IEEE, COSET and other cultural groups such as Spandana, Aurora, Halcyon and so on, I tell you from personal experience, nothing comes close to the amount of extracurricular learning you receive by being part of these groups. You get to lose your apprehensions and learn amazing stuff from amazing people. And if you are an extrovert type, you might be good in opening a group of your own. I mean, SIT really supports student initiatives and you need to take that opportunity in your hands. And lastly, I would give a small advice to all my young fellows who are coming around. Please be in contact with your parents. They really care for you and they are really worried about you. So respect that and keep them updated of your progress. On the conclusion, I would like to extend a special thank to my department, CSE, faculty members, and especially my department's HOD, Dr. Sumati, and the upper management for giving me this opportunity to share my experience. All of them have been very helpful in my journey so far, and I'm sure they'll be helpful in your journey as well. This is Mohammad Sadiq, 4th year CSE, signing off. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammad Sadiq, for sharing your experiences and impression about SIT. Now, impression from parents. I request Sri Indranil Ghosh, father of Rishav Ghosh, first semester mechanical engineering, to share his impression about SIT. Indranil Ghosh.
My pranams to Swamiji and a very good morning to all the luminaries and dignitaries present on the dais, the parents and the students of the first semester. On the onset, I would like to start off with why I am here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am Lieutenant Colonel Indranil Ghosh, serving with the Indian Army since last 22 years. And I am an alumni of 1992 batch mechanical engineering branch. I am actually honored standing here and speaking to such a large audience, and highly honored, thankful to Swamiji for his blessings that all my instructors and the then principal, Dr. Channabasappa, all are present here. It's an honor for me. My two young boys, they have already briefed you about the institution. This institution, somewhere in June 1992, I got the reference of this college through one of my seniors, and I just walked into this college with my dad in the month of June 1992. I took my admission in mechanical engineering, and from then it was nowhere to look behind. I had the best of the professors and the lecturers, best of the guidance, best of the discipline, and perhaps they have actually molded me to turn into a thorough gentleman and a good human being. Today, I am a very proud father because I have twin sons. One of my sons is here today to join SIT. In fact, he has joined when he qualified the Comet K, and he was called for the counseling. Believe me, you, ladies and gentlemen, I have only one choice, SIT. या तो SIT से कर ली इंजीनियरिंग, नहीं तो वापस. Yes, because what I wanted was away from Bangalore or Tumkur, whatever it is, I wanted him to become a disciplined man. And discipline is taught here. The excellent infrastructure, the labs, the libraries, the teaching staff. Believe me, I will not find anywhere else. Now my bonding has become more stronger with SIT Tumkur, since the second generation is going to start from here for me. I hope the legacy continues. To all the first semester students, what I would like to say is that over here, you need not go out of the college. Everything you'll get here. and the purpose for what your parents have sent you here, you do that. Do your studies well, and whatever is taught in class, take the guidance of your instructors. Take the maximum advantage from them and make them proud instructors first, then the proud parents. And the name of this college, I hope, will always go higher and higher. Today's world, anywhere you go in the civil or in the defense or anywhere, only one thing is followed: either you perform or you perish. So whatever you do in life, you have to put in your best hard work. And believe me, you will be really paid back. So once again, thanking all my instructors over here, taking the blessings of Swamiji and my ex-principal, Dr. Channabasappa. I go leaving my son over here as a proud parent, and I'm sure that my son one day will follow my footsteps and make me proud. Thank you so much, and all the very best to the students and their parents. You're all proud parents that your wards are going to study in this prestigious institution of the country. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Indranil Ghosh, for sharing your impression about SIT. Now I request Sri Chandrasekhar Aradhya, father of Yeshu Lakshmi, student of first semester Electronics and Telecommunication, to share his impression about SIT.
ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಅಡಿದಾವರೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಷ್ಯರೇ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲವು ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಂಭದಿಂದಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೂರ್ಣ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ತೊಡಕಿಲ್ಲದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು CET ಆಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದಾಗಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದಾಖಲಾತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊಂದಲ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಲಹೆ ಒಂದು ಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಬಹಳ ಕಾಳಜಿ ವಹಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಭು ಶಂಕರರು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ಸರು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಗ್ರಹಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಸಂಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಕನ ಒಂದು ವಚನವನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹರಿಯದವರೊಡನೆ ಸಂಗಮ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಕಲ್ಲ ಒಯ್ದು ಕಿಡಿಯ ಕೊಂಬಂತೆ, ಬಲ್ಲವರೊಡನೆ ಸಂಗಮ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಸರ ಹೊಸದು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯ ಕೊಂಬಂತೆ, ಚನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನಯ್ಯ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶರಣರ ಸಂಘ ಕರ್ಪೂರದ ಗಿರಿಯ ಉರಿಯ ಕೊಂಡಂತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕ 3 ರೀತಿಯ ಸಂಘವನ್ನು ನಮಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಹರಿಯದವರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಲ್ಲವರು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಶರಣರ ಸಂಘ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಹರಿಯದವರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ತಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಿಡಿ ಹತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬಲ್ಲವರ ಸಂಘ ನೀನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಆಗ್ತೀಯ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆದರೆ ಶರಣರ ಸಂಘ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕರ್ಪೂರದ ಗಿರಿ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ಪೂರನ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಪೂರ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜ್ಯೋತಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಕರ್ಪೂರವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಕರ್ಪೂರನೂ ಕೂಡ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರ ಸಂಘ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಸಂಘ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಾಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೀವು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ವೃತ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮೊದಲ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಕದಡಿದ ನೀರು ಸಲಿಲಂ ತಿಳಿ ಒಂದದೇ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಳದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೀರು ತಿಳಿಯಾಗೋದಿಲ್ವೇ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ರಾಘವಾಂಕ ನಾಗಚಂದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? ಕೊಳದ ನೀರು ತಿಳಿಯಾಗೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ? ಅವನೇ ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ತನ್ನಿಂದ ತಾನೇ ತಿಳಿ ಹೊಂದೋದು. ಕೊಳದ ನೀರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೈ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಬಗಡಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅದು ತಿಳಿಯಾಗೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದು ನಿರ್ಮಲವಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಹೇಳೋದಿಂದಾಗಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳೋದಿಂದಾಗಲಿ ಗೊಂದಲಕ್ಕೀಡಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ತಿಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ತಿಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಇಡುವ ಒಂದು ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲಿದು. ಈ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯವೋ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಗ್ರಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಂಥ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮುಟ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭಕ್ಕೆ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Sumati R, HOD, Department of Computer Science, to introduce the chief guest, Sri P.B. Kotur.
At the outset, I offer my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness, Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamigalu, Reverend President, Sri Siddhaganga Education Society, Sri Siddhagangamal. Very good morning to one and all. It's my honor to introduce today's chief guest, Mr. P.B. Kotur. Mr. P.B. Kotur is a General Manager and Global Head, the Freshers Engagement Program and Higher Education Talent Transformation, Wipro Limited, Bangalore. In his 25 plus years of overall IT career, he has been involved in teaching, training, evangelizing campus programs, creating and implementing the work integrated learning programs and development activities. He has been associated with Wipro for the past 19 years and spearheaded several game-changing academic and business initiatives in the organization. Prior to joining Wipro, he worked as a faculty in the Department of Computer Science, Basaveshwara Engineering College, Bagalkot, Karnataka. Mr. P.B. Kotur got first rank in his master's degree in engineering from Bangalore University. He has done General Management Program from IIM Bangalore under a Wipro IIM Bangalore collaborative program. He completed the Leadership and Change Management training at IIM Ahmedabad. Mr. Kotur has accomplished the Advanced Program training in IIC Bangalore. Currently, Mr. Kotur is head of the following initiatives in Wipro. The first one is Global Freshers Engagement Program. These are the technical training program for all the freshers joining Wipro. Then localization programs. These are the global skills development programs across US, UK, Australia, France, Germany, China, Japan, South Africa, Brazil, Mexico, Singapore, and Middle East. Talent Next. It's a corporate social responsibility initiative to train the professors of engineering college on digital skills at Wipro. Pre-joining program, it is to prepare the premier schools recruits with project required skills and take up the online and proctored assessments before joining. Then Wipro Academy of Software Engineering, it is an industry academia collaboration with BITS Pilani to nurture the science graduates on industry ready skills. Notch up, he has designed this higher education program for senior employees of Wipro in collaboration with Symbiosis International University, Pune, to provide the management, sales and marketing, finance and leadership skills. Mr. Kotur has been associated with many reputed institutes and universities as an industry advisor and the member of Governing Council. He helped universities to create industry-ready curriculum towards enhancing the learnability and employability. Mr. Kotur represented Wipro in the NASSCOM Governing Council, New Delhi. He also provided his able guidance to the Committee of Special Projects, the Government of Karnataka, towards creating employability for non-engineering graduates. He served as advisory member for Advanced Center for Research, Development and Training in Cyber Law and Forensics, that is National Law School of India, University, Bangalore. He was also a member of India Advisor Council of New York University, which was established under the eminent advice of Dr. Sam Pitroda. Mr. Kotur has authored several technical books on computers and information technology. Some of them are university prescribed textbooks. Some of his scholarly articles and interviews on education and technology are published in The People Matters, Times of India, The Hindu, DNA, Deccan Herald, Prajavani, and Samyukta Karnataka. All India Radio, Dharwad had broadcast his talks on science and information technology. CNBC TV 18 broadcast his interview on corporate programs. TV7, one of the top TV channels in Varisa, broadcast his interview on internship and industry engagement. Mr. Kotur has been recognized as Global Goodwill Ambassador for his outstanding contribution towards guiding and providing the employment opportunity to thousands of graduates in IT and non-IT industries. The government of Karnataka had recognized his contribution in the field of education in 2006 and 7 and invited him on leveraging information technology for rural India in 73rd Akhila Bharata Kannada Sahitya Sammelana. He received the Best People Manager 2017, the Wipro's most prestigious award, from Honorable Chairman Shri Ajim Premji and CEO Mr. Abidali Nimuchwala. He is a recipient of Inspiration Leader Award, Leadership Excellence Award, Dear Boss Award from Wipro. Sir, I heartily welcome you once again, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Anand.
Thank you, madam, for introducing highly distinguished and accomplished chief guest of today's function. He is a great devotee of Swamiji, and he is a great poet also. Every other day you can see poems in his Facebook, and he is a very good poet, and he has a lot of creativity in his kitty. So we are very honored and proud to have you as chief guest, sir. I request you to deliver inaugural address.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸೋಮವಾರ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ತುಂಬ ತಂಪಾಗಿದೆ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಓ ಲಾರ್ಡ್, ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ಐ ಸಿ ಯು ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. You are the epitome of the vast, expansive universe. You are the eyes and you are the vision of this universe. You are the shoulder and you are shouldering this universe. You are the standing and you are outstanding of this universe. You are a savior, you are the protector, each one of us, O Lord Kudala Sangamadeva. ಈ ಪುಣ್ಯಭೂಮಿಯ ದಿವ್ಯಚೇತನ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ದಿವ್ಯ ಚೇತನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ, ಇಂದಿನ ಪೀಠಾಧಿಪತಿ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ, ಸಭೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹನೀಯರುಗಳು ಶರಣು ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ my sincere thanks to all the parents, the media people, print, visual, digital, and the warm welcome to the youngest decisions. So you have heard netizens, I use the word decisions. You are all digital generation people. A warm welcome to orientation training program at SIT Tumkur. Tumkur is not Tum ka Oor, it's Hum ka Oor also. I am here, part of today, the beautiful Monday, to see all the young minds with a great smile on your face. It's a great privilege and I'm extremely happy. I sincerely thank the management to provide this opportunity to seek the blessings of Swamiji, meet all the extraordinary academic leaders and the future leaders of this country this morning. Thank you so much. ಕಂಜೂಸ್ತನ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ. ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಕಿಸೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿದಾಗ ದಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ದಿಯಾದಿಂದ. ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಯಾ ದಿಯಾ ದಿಯಾ, ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ದಿಯಾ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸವನ್ನು ದಿಯಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ದಿಯಾ ಕಾಲ, ನಾಟ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ with hearty joining hands for everybody. So that's the most thing that you can start the beautiful Monday. So thank you very much. So goodness doesn't require more inspiration, that comes automatically. It's like a spring from the earth. So something is not good, you have to put a lot of effort. The pressure cooker takes a lot of effort. So that's how I see the goodwill, the goodness, the grace that makes you just claps for anything and everything. That is the best way to spread your energy in the morning. So this is the year, it's remarkable in the history of humankind. If I ask the question, you may tell why this year is remarkable in the humankind. You may say that every day morning I use the WhatsApp, I just clicked a Facebook post, I tweeted so many things that is happening in your world. I don't know how many times you have looked at your Facebook rather than looking at everybody in this. That is the generation that we all, working together. My thought is that 1969, July 20th, 1969, July 20th, man landed on the moon. Neil Armstrong landed on the moon, the first man. When the entire humankind celebrated its landing on the moon, India celebrated as a remarkable gratitude to that effort. We started Chandrayaan-2 this month. Hearty congratulations to our brilliant scientists at ISRO for making this year remarkable in your life and our lives too. You can always remember your life, just Mr. Ghosh mentioned, so he joined in the month of June 1992. You can always tell, I joined SIT in the month of July, don't worry about the date, tell when Chandrayaan was launched. You also tell your children and grandchildren, I joined SIT in the year when Chandrayaan-2 was launched. Possibly you tell your child or grandchild, he or she should be the scientist of Chandrayaan-3 with man being landed. A Bharatiya being landed on the moon, you have to come forward. I am sure that one of the SIT student will be that scientist in our endeavor to put man on the moon, not by any of the countries, by our own incredible India. I am sure that one of you can be part of that. This is also year witnessing 50th year of internet, without which nobody wakes up in the morning, without which nobody starts the. In our days, the moment we woke up, we are all taught to touch the feet of parents first, or go to the God's room, put pranam. I am sure that generation that we have today, I appreciate, because you have not parents or somebody, you have your smartphone nearby. So that's why you first touch whether you have a message for you. When you don't have a message, you feel very depressed. Last 50 years, I never depressed for no reason or rhyme. So the moment message is not there, no likes are there, no comments are there, you feel depressed. Leave it, you are at least 18 plus years. I see in the school, children get depressed, disappointment at years of age, 8, 7, like that. I don't know why. So, Prabhu Shankar sir told, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. It's not just to show somebody. Om is I am a reflection of God. I am Shanti, means I am a peaceful human being. Whether I get a message, whether I get a comment, whether I get a tick mark, whether I like, you don't worry about it. Be happy. For the last 1.5 hours, I have not touched my mobile. because you know corporate people always look at the messages, whether boss calls or somebody calls, customer calls. I made my smart device as my slave, not I am a slave of my device. That's the first message to my dearest friends joining engineering college. When you are inside the classroom, please become a master of your smartphone, not the slave of your WhatsApp or Facebook. That's the first gratitude you give to all your teachers in the classroom. I hope you will do that. Second point, today you are entering the 4 years of engineering degree program. There are multiple points. One is 4 years is a duration, engineering is a philosophy, degree program is a certification. For you, 4 years is a 4 calendar years or 4 academic years. But if you split that 4 years, how much in anybody's life? 4 years is 48 months. The greatest creation happens in 9 months. You have 48 months in front of you. You have 208 weeks in front of you. It's not a small thing. So some of the events that happened, Chandrayana 2, when one of the technical component being found not working, the 15th July event is stopped, announced to the world. Maybe people felt that is an embarrassment to the world. No. The sadhaka will take it as a challenge, convert it as an opportunity, and makes, within a week's time, 15th to 22nd, all our scientists at ISRO put their brain, heart together, made a successful journey into 36,000 kilometers geostationary motion. That number of weeks you have in front of you. You have many, many days, 4,161 days in front of you to achieve something. You have 35,000 hours of God-given time in front of you, 2.1 million minutes in front of you, and 1.2 crore seconds in front of you. Design, define, dictate, derive, and deploy your journey from this moment to next 4 years. I wish you the very, very best in the endeavor, and I congratulate all of you for making that decision to be part of this wonderful fraternity called Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. Why I said 4 years with all these numerical numbers, not to just show my mathematical ability. Because every second that matters most to us. We have Hima Das. All of you heard Hima Das? All of you heard Hima Das? Yes. Hima Das is our pride. Hima Das comes from a small village in Assam. She is popularly known today as Ding Express. She never had an opportunity to have hundreds of open playground to practice her sprint. Both parents being farmers, she found her opportunity to run in the unflowed land. In July month, again you will remember this. You joined SIT in the month when Hima Das got 5 gold for India within a time frame of 15 days. Again remarkable in your life. That's why I told 4 years is a huge, huge opportunity that you are blessed with. So my another favorite personality in the world, a Jamaican sprinter, you know whom I am talking about, Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt, to his credit, he has 9 gold, 11 international records, and his number of seconds he spent on the track in the last 20 years is 191 seconds. And he earned roughly about $195 million. What is the cost per second? More than $1 million. $1 is 6970 rupees. $1 million is 10 lakhs. Multiply by 60 or 70. Think of 1 second he earned. I will not ask the question how much it is Indian rupees. For every second he earned $1 million US dollar. Not a small money. You have 1.2 billion seconds in front of you. Do you know how much time he spent to run the overall track record? Not more than 191 seconds. Whenever he ran in the track, he took 20 solid years. Sankalp dinda siddhiyatha. Today you make that sankalp. I will emerge as a great SITian in the next 4 years. I will present an international paper which is appreciated by all the scientists of India. I represent SIT. I make myself in Asian Games in 2020, whether I am a first year, second year student, I should my excellence to the country. I will represent SIT. I will publish at least 2 patent papers before I exit from SIT. I will be the keynote addressee, youngest scientist in the world for the forthcoming Indian Congress Science Conference in New Delhi, which is headed by Prime Minister. That must be the dream starting today, because you have 1.2 billion seconds in front of you. It's marvelous to have you here. SIT, as I told, I have been associated not just like an industry person, as a member of the Board of Studies, as a member of the governing councils. I am grateful to all the leaders. Bittenendaro bidade mai. The sambandha that I have with the institution for many, many years, I feel always proud to be in the campus, seeking the blessings of Swamiji, being with extraordinary teachers. And that is the environment you are going to be. In the next 4 years, focus on learning. You are the owner of your learning. Don't make everything as a responsibility of the teachers. It is a world where self-directed learning is prominent and prevailing. Enough of the content is available in whichever the format you want. Whether it is a Netflix that flows the content into, or Amazon's, Udacity's, Coursera's, Khan Academies, so much of the content is flooding into your own devices. It's the choice that you have to make, which content you want to. I think Aradri helidru, ಕೊಳದ ನೀರು ತಿಳಿ ಆಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಂತ. When you settles down all the dust particles, the upper layer is always the purest of the purest water. You have flooded with so much information into your head and smartphone, but you settle down something which you don't require, but pick that is one which is very, very useful to you. Make that content as your strength. The second, when you are in the campus, when you are an engineer, because I mentioned in my first starting, 4 years engineering and degree program. When you are joining engineering, don't aspire to have a degree given by Vishwasraya Technological University. That is only a passport. It is not a green card. You have to develop. Going to the gym doesn't make you a pailwan. You have to really put in lot of sadhana. You have to perform, to outperform somebody. If you don't perform, you don't outperform somebody. In order to perform, you have to reform first. In order to reform, you always reframe your directions, redesign your thinking, redirect your goal in the right spirit. And very important, involve in every academic activities. Take the ownership of the entire campus. If you are staying in the hostel, Because you are paying so much to the institution, don't take the revenge of wasting the water in the hostel. Every drop of water is not belong to us. It is the asset of this universe. ಸಂಪತ್ತು ನಮ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ನಮ್ದಲ್ಲ. ದುಡ್ಡು ನೀವು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳದು, ನಿಮ್ಮದಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನೀರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲು, ಆ ನೀರು ನಮ್ಮದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ರಿವೆಂಜ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈ ವಾಟರ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಮನಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಟು ಫ್ಲೋ ಇನ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್. And this is a very important moment for you. Today, it is a day one of your engineering. May I request the leaders, whether you can each 4 or 5 members together plant a tree somewhere and start pouring water and start seeing it, whether your degree comes first or the tree comes first. So that's the level of engineering thinking you should have. The trees are very, very important. Why tree in engineering? The tree aspires to touch the sky. It always aspires to touch the sky, never goes down into the earth. Every time tree aspire to touch the sky, it messages, I have to ground deeper and deeper into the earth. As you become engineer and you start getting 29 lakhs, 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 crore, but your humility, vidyage vinayave bhushana, the humility part of your heart should go deeper and deeper and deeper into the earth. So that is the second part of the engineering. Third part of the engineering is, it's always creative thinking and critical thinking. Engineer is not just the engineer because he has a degree. Mother is the most creative engineer after the God. Whether believe or not, don't go and tell mother you only know how to cook. Cooking is the greatest engineering today. Swiggy's, people don't live in Bangalore without Swiggy. Right? Uber Eats, people don't, sleep without Uber Eats. It is an art for the mother, but for the business, the rest of the world. Mother has created kitchen cabinet as a business model, rest of the world. Engineer should emulate mother's capability into your thinking. What to cook, what to chop, how much to tap, how much to prepare. In your learning, you should show how much I study, how much I borrow, how much I assimilate, how much I collectively get my wisdom to shine as a great SITN. Last, degree. It is a transition from pre-university to university degree transition. It's a great journey. Today, there is a transition happens in the celestial. The Chandrayana 2 moved on 15th to 36,000 kilometers. On 24th, it moved to 45,000 kilometers. Today, it is getting into the third orbit. We call it a second orbit at 54,000 kilometers away. After that, it enters into the moon's surface. And you are moving from the pre-university orbit into the university orbit. Make that propellant push you to that orbit, which you shine much more than what you are